Hi, my name is Trevor, and I'm an Aktiv Senior Customer Success Manager at Top Hat. Let's take a quick look at how to use attendance, in-class assignments, and staggered mode in Aktiv Chemistry. On the Aktiv site, navigate to the Assignments tab, click In Class, and then we'll click New Attendance. On this screen, we'll set a time limit for how long students have to enter a generated code, and the session length is how long they'll stay checked into class for that day, aka the time of your class length. In the upper left-hand corner, we can click on Save for Class to come back to it later, or in the upper right-hand corner, we can click Start to publish the attendance assignment right away. Once you've done that, we've generated today's attendance code. You'll either project this screen for your students or share the code in some other manner to have present students enter the code so they can access in-class assignments for that class period. Once they've done that, they're good to go. In-class assignments are great for live class time. You can check in on understanding during a lecture, whether you're in person or online. Just click on New Activity in the In-Class tab to get started. In the settings, you'll choose between simultaneous, where all questions go live at once, or staggered, where you'll control the flow of the questions during your class time. In simultaneous mode, you can make the assignment timed or untimed. If it's untimed, just remember to manually end the assignment. Otherwise, it stays open for a maximum of 12 hours. If you want students to discuss before locking in an answer, try Think, Pair, Share in the Pedagogy and Grading menu. In this mode, students get unlimited attempts, no feedback until the assignment is over, and live results that you share won't spoil the correct answer. Conversely, staggered mode lets you open problems one at a time, perfect for syncing questions with your lecture or class discussion. After choosing staggered, we'll add some problems to the assignment using the Add Problems button. And we'll select a few problems from the question bank, for example's sake. When we're ready, we'll click Save for Class to save it for later, or we'll press Start to go live now. Once the assignment is active, we'll click on it to view all the questions. We can click Start All Problems in the upper right to release all of the problems immediately, or we can release them individually by clicking Start next to each question. So once we hit Start, the students now have access to question 1 on their end. You can either go back to your lecture for a while afterwards, or we can click Start on the next problem to open that one up to them as well. Students will only see the questions you've started. The closed ones are labeled, and unopened ones won't show up at all. To see the results for the assignment, we can stay on this same screen, or if we come back to the main page, we have a button called Show Results. Click on that. Once you click on an actual question, it'll show a neutral histogram. So once students answer, you'll see different bars on this graph of the most common answers. Since we have staggered mode on, which automatically enables the Think, Pair, Share, like I mentioned earlier, this will not reveal the correct answer. If you are ready to show, we have a button called Correct Bar Chart, where the correct answer will be highlighted, so you can share that with your students. When you're ready, we can end all the problems. Once you end the assignment, that's when students will be able to see the correct answers on their end, as well as feedback on where they went wrong. And that's your crash course on attendance, in-class assignments, and staggered mode in Aktiv Chemistry.